guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have a wig sent from Megalook Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig unit. So I put this wig on my Instagram stories. Make sure you guys go and follow me. And you guys asked so many questions about this wig, so here is this hair tutorial. They sent over a 26-inch body wave chocolate brown wig unit in 180% density and also 26 inches. So this is a wig unit straight out of the box. All I have done is put my foundation up under it, and that's pretty much it. If you guys want any products that I use for my hair videos, make sure you guys go and check my Amazon storefront. I have a lot of products and also other things in my Amazon store that has nothing to do with hair that I have in my home and things of that such. But this hairline was very full, you guys, and it also came with a lot of lace, which I don't mind. It is extra work, but I just love that I can cut into this wig unit exactly how I want, and then I can make it mimic my own hairline as well. So it's not really that big of a deal to me, but it was a lot of plucking because this hairline came extremely full. The lace did come light as well, so please make sure that you are tinting your lace with your foundation color or whichever color it is that you use for your wig units. I know some people like the full density hairlines. I'm not a fan of it, you guys, especially because I do my baby hairs and things of that such, and I like for my wigs to look as natural as possible. But if you are into that, you can just wear this wig straight out of the box. I do feel like I didn't pluck it too much. Like, I did keep a fuller hairline, but I just love that I can do what I want with this wig unit. I also want to let you guys know that this is a big head friendly wig, because I know you guys always have questions about that. I do have my hair in a low ball, but it still is a little, like, it's not snug, like it fits, you get what I mean? So that's that. So I'm cutting into my lace, and I'm going to go ahead and let this wig video play out. I really love the look that I came up with. Decided to give you guys, you know, a little body wave curls and things of that such. I am using a new wand curler. You guys would see T3 did send over a package for me, which I absolutely appreciate. Thank you guys so much for that, if you guys ever see this video. But I'm going to go ahead and let this video play out. Very nice install, you guys, and let me know what you guys think about the chocolate brown hair down below in the comments.